All right. Did he tell you? I don't want to repeat myself. Like, I don't want to force you to hear anything you heard more than once. But
yeah, unfortunately, no, they don't tell me anything on this referral services. They tell me nothing, which is unfortunate. So maybe the other service, you had to explain something. But sorry about that.
Oh no, it's cool. No, I don't mind. I just didn't want to go on. But anyhow, it's like a long story short. The story involves a landlord who is not the problem here at all. But the reason, I had a very old, senile, old Navy, guy. Like, he was a cool guy, man, but he just had some problems. But he didn't understand the whole, being a landlord eviction process. And a while back ago, he was doing like an illegal eviction, trying to kick me out over something between a girl, but anyhow, he didn't go through the proper steps, and I told him that he has to, but he didn't, and the cops got involved, and I was the one that called the cops, and then when the cops came out there, they split us up, and they didn't fully investigate like what was the problem. And the problem was that he was at the house. Because he doesn't live there. He lives in Nevada. He came over and he's going to remove my stuff without even. Yeah.
Wait a minute. Let me ask you this: is this in San Diego?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I know my phone number. My phone number is a little off, but yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, does this involve a criminal case now?
Yeah. Well, the cops, they come and they never fully investigate, and they end up taking me away over a warrant from 2010, and they left the intruder inside the house. Yeah,
they do that. Great.
But
so you out on bail now?
No, this is last November. But
okay. So
but there's a problem with like the whole reason that the warrant was on an infraction from 2010 over something stupid. But within the 5 years, the warrant wasn't issued until probably 3 or 4 months before, because I had already been to court. I've already had to go. I went through all this stuff because I was a truck driver for a moving company, and then out of nowhere, this warrant from 5 years comes up, and then. And when I call the cops and they come and arrest me and they leave the intruder in the house, it just doesn't seem like that balances out.
Which court is the warrant in?
It's as Superior, San Diego Superior Court. I think it's the one, I think it's the one downtown, I guess.
Downtown. Okay.
Yeah, but this is what happened 5 years ago. I was arrested, and I was about to go into court, and they said they're not going to press the issue. And they let me and 5 other guys out, and I never hear anything from them, and my record's clean for 5 years, and then they come back and bam, warrant.
Yeah, shoot. Yeah, that doesn't sound right. So what's the status now of your court date?
I can't get my license unless I appear, but I'm not. I live, because everything went south down there. I live up in Monterey now, and I gotta appear or do something in their court or do. And I looked online on a few things, and it doesn't look like it's gonna be too easy to transfer it if I fail to appear or even to settle it. It's like where would you say someone should go from that point?
Oh boy, yeah, you're probably somebody's gonna have to appear in San Diego. Superior Court, get the warrant recalled, find out what's going on. And you're probably looking at a bunch of money in attorney's fees, I would guess.
Yeah, but hold on, I have a few questions that would just help me out if you can answer it, because since then, but before that, for like a while now, because I was having problems with the guy. And so I learned a lot about the tenant laws, and there's some shaky things in that. And then when I was looking up everything for what happened last November, I learned, I don't know if it's true, I just have to ask, but is it true that if you don't assert your rights, that you have none in court?
Well, Are you talking about landlord-tenant rights?
No. Just to say me, all right, the landlord thing, gone. That thing's already done. Me and him was actually friends. He just went senile. He just went crazy. He went crazy, pretty much. And but no, now it's just between me and the court. So, and I was looking online because I'm not gonna be able to. At that time, I wasn't able to afford it, but I was looking for like info how to represent myself. But I learned that is it true that you have to assert your rights, or unless you have none?
Well, I've never heard that. I mean, I don't know where that comes from, but
actually, it comes from like you have to reserve your rights.
All right. Well, let me ask you what you want to do. You want to get your license back, right?
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Okay. Do you want to do it yourself, or do you want to speak to an attorney?
Oh, I could use an attorney, but either or. But I want to know what my options are, really.
Your options are up here.
Like, what would you like? I could forget about everything that happened about like in San Diego, but what about the whole 5 years gone by and then they bring up a warrant?
Yeah, well, they did. It's out there. You don't have a license, so what you're going to have to do is go straighten that out. So either you come down to San Diego or you pay an attorney. That's your options, and it won't be cheap. I mean, it's probably going to be $3,000 to $5,000 for an attorney.
All right. Well, if I what does it mean if I'm in court and I say nothing?
You know what? I can't advise you on any of this stuff. So either you need an attorney or you're going to do it yourself. I mean, that's what this is. So you have to decide what you want to do. I can't counsel you on the phone when I don't know what the case is. We got a lot of research that we have to do on this. We got to pull up the case. We got to get the license back.
Well, how about like overall general, including across the board that applies for everybody? If they were in court, what rights do they have?
Do you want an attorney or not? I'm going to have to end this conversation.
No, I know, I do, but I want to have the right kind of attorney. Can you answer that question? Is there do I have to what rights does someone have inside of a court? I'm just asking you a question. This privileged, confidential, conversation. Do I have to go in there and state everything, reserve room, UC 1308, do all that crap, or you know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't know what the infraction is. I don't know the circumstances of this, but
no, across the board.
You have the right not to incriminate yourself. So you have the right not to say anything. They've got to prove a case against you. So,
do I have the same rights outside of the courtroom as I do inside of the courtroom?
Yeah, I don't.
Because I learned something about the gold trim on the flag means that you have to state your rights. Can you tell me what the gold trim means?
No, I can't. I really can't. So
I know you can.
I got to ask you if you want an attorney or not, because I can't take any more time. I'm sorry.
All right. One last question, dude. Can you tell me what? Because I have a bet with my friends going. Can you tell me what BAR stands for bar exam? The BAR.
For the bar exams.
Yeah, you know how a lawyer takes a bar exam. Can you tell me what the BAR stands for?
Well, the bar exam is for the bar of California.
Yeah, but the BAR, it stands. What does it stand for?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't tell you. I've only been a lawyer about 30 years, and I can't tell you what the BAR stands for. I just know
you can't say. Do you not know, or you can't say?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It's a state bar of California. That's what it is.
Does one person have to really file UCC 1308 to reserve their rights?
Okay. I got to go now. Okay.
No, can you just say yes or no? Just say no if you don't know. You don't think so?
I gotta go. I don't think you want an attorney to represent you. So we can get you an attorney to represent you if you want.
Have you ever heard of UCC 1308?
No.
No, you haven't. All right. All right. Thanks, man. You're a lawyer?
Yeah.
All right. Did